Prince Harry is expected to make an appearance in a London court as his case against the publisher of the Daily Mail begins. This will also make the Duke of Sussex the first senior British royal to give evidence in a court in 130 years. Harry is taking a legal action against the Mirror Group newspapers, where he alleges phone hacking and other unlawful behaviour. The event Prince Harry is referring to dates back to 1991 and 2011. Lawyers representing Harry and 3 other high-profile figures will attempt to prove later today that unlawful information gathering was carried out with the knowledge and approval of the senior editors and executives. Prince Harry is one of more than 100 other high-profile figures suing Mirror Group newspapers. In the early days of the trial, the newspaper group already apologized for one of the incidents. Now, the MJN Group accepted that one of its newspapers, Sunday People, unlawfully sought information about Harry, while also accepting the compensation of the British royal is entitled to. Now, however, it has rejected Harry's other allegations, as it says the royal has no evidence for his claims. The trial may also see a face-off between Prince Harry and officials from Buckingham Palace, as the newspaper giant argues some information has come from royal sources. Now, since his exit from the royal family, Prince Harry is engaged in several legal battles with the British press. In a Netflix docu-series, Harry has also accused his family members of making a backdoor deal with the newspapers. Now, for more on this, our correspondent Alex Isaac is joining us live from London. Alex, nice to talk to you. Now, Prince Harry is expected to make appearance in the London court in this case. This will be the first time a senior British royal is to give evidence in a court in 130 years.
Yes, that's correct. So we do understand that the trial has already resumed, and at the moment Prince Harry has not shown up, but he is expected to come at least this week and to give his own evidence and to also hear from the defence and prosecutor on both sides. But his barrister has turned up for court this morning, so that it will go underway. Now, this is all down to whether or not Prince Harry had his phone hacked. Now, he isn't the only one that is also saying that his phone was hacked. There are a few others, but he is the most high profile. And as you rightly said, as a member of the royal family, there hasn't been another in court for many years. I think the last time we had was Princess Anne, but that was only briefly to say that she was found guilty for her dogs attacking someone on her estate. So we are expecting to hear a lot from Prince Harry himself. You mentioned his Netflix documentary, his book, and of course he's gone around the circuit in America to complain a lot about his family and about the press as well. He states that since his mother died, Princess Diana, that the press has been hounding him and he has become paranoid and delusional because of it, and he really doesn't want to settle this case in court. However, there is a quite twist to it. The fact that it's even gone this far, a lot of the things that he's bringing forward happened before a long time ago. So the case, necessarily not all of the aspects that he's bringing will be sent all the way through to court, because they could well be thrown out. But we are expecting to hear from him. There has been a lot of contention already about the things that he's saying and whether or not they're accurate. He has said that the Mirror News Group took his personal phone calls, hacked also his close friends. They've already said in a retort that some of the stories that he's mentioned were actually given to them by him, by his close comrades, face to face. So nothing to do with phone hacking. And of course, there has been a previous phone hacking trial, the Leveson case, against the Daily Mail and others, News of the World as well. And that was settled. And we also know obviously about Prince William and his court case being settled. We understand that money was given to charity. But it doesn't seem that Prince Harry wants to let this one go, but it should be quite interesting when he faces the court and he faces those barristers to see how he is going to respond, really. And I think a lot of people will be looking to see if they can get any juicy tidbits from him about the royal family, because that's where people's interest really does lie.
Absolutely. Alex, thank you very much for being with us and bringing us all the latest details there. We are now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.